So let's start with today's lovely recipe. So first we're going to make the red velvet cupcakes. For that I've taken 1/4 cup of butter in a large bowl, preferably at room temperature. Now I'm going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar. We're going to whisk both of them really well till the butter and the sugar gets really well incorporated or mixed really nicely. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. Again, we're going to whisk till everything comes together. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again, whisk everything really nicely. Next, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Two tablespoons of red food color. I'm using the gel color. Mix everything really well till all of the mixture is, turns into this red color. There should be no white or brown patches. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Next goes in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar, and mix everything really well. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Add a little at a time, and now you're going to fold it, and this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So add the flour a little at a time and fold it in. We're not going to whisk it now, but fold it in till everything comes together really well. There shouldn't be any white particles of the mixture. It should be completely red. I have a recipe for buttermilk. I'll leave the link below. And now I've got this cupcake holders. I'm just going to fill about a tablespoon or 2. Don't overfill it or don't underfill it. Just about 3/4 of the level of the cupcake holder. Don't forget to preheat your oven. You can also use an ice cream scoop to fill up the cupcake holders, and then just pat them down gently to even them out. And now you're going to put this into your preheated oven, and you're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Now while that is happening, let's prepare the frosting. So I'm preparing a cream cheese frosting, and if you watch the video till the end, I'll show you how to prepare cream cheese at home, or you can use the ready-made one. So now I have 1 cup of cream cheese, which is homemade. To that I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of butter, again at room temperature, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we're going to fold everything in well together. Now I'm going to whisk it because I want a nice smooth mixture, and I'm going to add 1 cup of icing sugar. Now just whisk till everything comes together and is really smooth. So now the cupcakes have cooled down completely. I kept them aside for about 15 minutes. They have to cool completely. And now I'm just going to take a sharp knife, a serrated knife, and just cut off the top to make it a flat bottom. Now don't discard this part of the cake. We're going to use it as a crumble. So just put it together in a bowl, and later on you're just going to crush it with your fingers, and you're just going to use it as a garnish or a sprinkle. So I've just evened out all of the cupcakes. So we're just going to crumble the rest of the cake like this, and we're going to use that as a garnish. Now I'm just going to fill up this cream cheese filling into my piping bag, the frosting. So like I said, you can use ready-made cream cheese. Nowadays it's available in any supermarket or even online. But if you want to make your own cream cheese at home, you watch the video till the end and you get an idea. Now just press it down into your piping bag till it comes to one of the tips like this. And then just turn the top of your piping bag so everything is nice and firm and tight. And then you're just going to cut off the tip of this piping bag. Now I'm cutting it into a very small tip, not very thick. And then you're just going to spread this frosting in whatever pattern you want. Put it in the center so that you can see the red color of the cupcakes. You can also use ready-made frosting. Nowadays you even get ready-made frosting easily available online. And then I'm just going to spread it out with a butter knife, but you can keep it in that fashion also if you want it. Or you can use the different nozzles. And now I'm just going to sprinkle this red velvet crumble that we had of the cake. And to make it look even pretty, I have these little heart biscuits. That's completely optional. So I'm just going to put them on the top so that it looks nice and pretty. And your lovely red velvet cupcakes are all ready to enjoy. So now you can watch the video till the end to see how to make your own cream cheese at home. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a try.